Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a single file from history in Replit. The first thing I want you to do is open up your app where you want to do this, and then come here to the top right, click on this icon to open your files. And then from here I want you to navigate to the specific file in your Replit workspace that you wish to restore to a previous version. So I'll go ahead and click here on templates, and then I'll open index.html. And then if you come here to the bottom right, you'll see history. I want you to click on history and you'll see the different versions of history here. So if I come here and toggle on compare latest and I come back here, I'm able to see the changes that were made. And let me show you what it currently is at. This is what it is at. Let me refresh. There's no run on Replit here at the bottom right. But if I come here and reset editor to here, basically restoring, click on reset version. There you go. It is now done. And if I refresh now, you'll see run on Replit. And that is how to restore a single file from history in Replit.